In the serene lakeside town of Valle de Bravo, Mexico, stands a truly unique residence, Aguacates House. Designed by Francisco Pardo Arquitecto as a weekend retreat, it's just a few hours away from the hustle of Mexico City. The site is remarkable. An avocado orchard cascading down into a dense forest, offering a dramatic yet peaceful setting. One of the main challenges was preserving the existing avocado grove. The architect took an unconventional approach, burying the house into the ground. From above, the orchard remains intact, while the structure stays discreetly hidden, blending seamlessly into the natural surroundings. This decision was also influenced by the owner's passion for hang gliding. The view from the sky, often referred to as the fifth facade, became a crucial design consideration. The roof was designed to have minimal visual impact from above, making it one of the home's defining features. Inside, the layout follows an open-plan concept. The kitchen, dining area, and living room flow together without major partitions, creating a spacious and connected atmosphere. Surrounding these communal areas are the master bedroom, 2 guest rooms, and a versatile studio space. To bring in abundant natural light, the rear section of the house opens into an interior patio. This open-air courtyard not only enhances ventilation but also frames 2 contrasting landscapes. On one side, untamed greenery. On the other, a carefully designed garden. Aguacates House stands as a perfect example of how architecture can exist between two worlds, offering comfort and human control while allowing nature to flourish. The result is a subtle yet harmonious balance between built form and wild landscape. The material palette is minimal yet rich in character. The main structure is exposed concrete, chosen for its durability and simplicity. Walls are coated in Chukum, a natural stucco from Yucatan that adds a warm, textured finish. Interior partitions are made from reclaimed pinewood, previously used as formwork during construction. That same reclaimed wood was also used to build a small cabin above the house. This additional structure can serve as a service area or a lookout point, offering panoramic views of the surrounding orchard and forest. With a design that respects the land, requires minimal maintenance, and delivers thoughtful functional details, Aguacates House offers valuable inspiration for anyone seeking to integrate their home into the landscape without compromising its beauty. It's a project that proves a house can be more than a dwelling. It can be part of nature itself.